Okay, so this is pretty much what he recommended to do. Now remember, you need 1,000 downloads just to make any money. So let's go. Tweet. So, hey everyone. Today I thought I'd do something a little different. Today we're going to try out one of Big Mark's techniques about a video he made called Make Money Uploading Files, $14 per file, PayPal money. And we're going to go through, basically, you can watch the video. There'll be a link in the video description below of his video. But I'm going to basically go over all this stuff and show you what happened, and what happened, and what didn't happen. And some things roadblocks you're going to bump into. Did it work? Did it not work? What's the deal? And my thoughts on it as well. So let's get right into this. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog as well. Check those out, and let's get right into it. So in his video, he says go to this site where you can upload files, and when people download them, you get up to $35 per download. Read some more here. See what this is all about. Pay per download rates. Upload your files and you will be paid for every file downloaded to your account, on your account. Files above 20 megabytes will count. See payment rates below. Okay, so group 1, $14, blah, 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 so far and so forth. Up to 1,000 megabytes, which is a gigabyte, is $35. And there's different countries here, different groups. United States, group 1. Czech Republic, France, Greece is group 2. So it goes lower and lower as you see here. United Kingdom is group 3. A little bit more. Anyways, and so on and so forth. Okay. So interesting. Now there is a premium account for this as well. I don't really know. He doesn't really go into all that stuff. What's the difference and all that stuff. So we're just going to create accounts in a second here. And then we'll just do it. So the next thing he explains to do is to go to right tag and look for trending hashtags. And the one he put was the keto diet. So we'll just put that up there. And there we go. There's a lot of views on that hashtag right now. Low carb and such. Okay, so you're going to want to take one of these keywords for Twitter. And he says you don't need a lot of followers for your Twitter account for this to work. So the next thing you're going to want to do is go to free-ebooks.net and check out these books on the keto diet. You want to download these books so people can upload them. Again, we're going to do all this stuff. I'm just going over the gist of it. And there's another place he mentions where it's idplr.com where you get some free downloads. I just created an account. I got 200 free downloads plus 2 gold products. And then the next thing we're going to do is go into Twitter and post what he recommends to do. So let's get into this. Well, first I'm going to create an account on Birdload here. Okay, so I'm registered. I don't need to activate the account, it says. So I'm going to log in. These are the terms of service and everything. You must be over 13. Blah, 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 blah. Let's see what premium it has to offer. $3.99 a month. Unlimited cloud storage. So on and so forth. Anyways. So, keto diet. Let's download this book here. I believe we got to create an account here as well. Actually, let's go back to the one I already created. Let's see if there's a keto diet. How to download your free products. Free ebooks. Now the ebooks are very small in size, so I believe it has to be 20 megabytes, right? Let's do a search for keto. The Bulletproof Keto Diet Video Upgrade. Okay, full restore rights, video, mastery. Okay, some of the usage on these books too, by the way, you can't give away for free. So you have to kind of read all the fine print. So that's a little, you know, whatever. You have two, I guess this is a gold thing here. I don't know. Let's see here. Bulletproof Keto Diet Video Upgrade. Download preview. Can't even talk at the moment. Okay. So, license. Master resale rights. Can be sold. Can be used for personal use. Let's just see what you can't do with it. Can I give it away for free? No. Can be given away for free? Absolutely not. So there's that. So there's that problem. Let's go back to this other website. Let's take a look at this. Okay, Essential Recipe Keto Diet Cookbook, 33 Easy Meals. Okay, so I gotta create an account. To download this book, log into your membership dashboard to sign up in seconds and download this book and 4 more free. So I get 5 free books with this account. So let's create an account. Okay, so when I'm signing up for this account, they're asking me for a lot of, you know, yes, I don't want any of this stuff, submit or whatever. Okay, so let's also look at this here real quick. Can I share, sell, otherwise distribute your ebooks? However, you should never sell or use the ebooks found here for any commercial purposes without the first obtaining consent directly from the book's authors. So, that's another thing you cannot do. So this advice is junk. But let's continue to see what happens anyways. Now we have options: PDF, EPUB, Kindle, text, email to your device, VIPs only, upgrade. Let's just do PDF. That's a very universal format. Okay, they're asking you to donate here, but we don't have to do that. So this is the ebook. Obviously, there's a big ad in here for free ebooks. The next step here, and we're going to upload that book. Okay, so I uploaded the PDF book, Essential Recipes for Keto Diet Cookbook, blah, 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 33, whatever. We're going to copy the link. We're going to go to Twitter. This is the exact, I just found this book that shows 21 amazing keto recipes. Actually, there's 33. And we're going to add a photo, spice things up a little bit. And we'll upload that. Okay, so this is pretty much what he recommended to do. Now remember, you need 1,000 downloads just to make any money. So let's go, tweet. And okay, so we did the tweet, and there's one really, really big problem with this birdload.com website. As soon as you click on the link, it goes to the site, and then there's a big pop-up, and then you close that one, and then there's another big pop-up, because they're making money off the Birdland site, and yeah, my site's gone. Just a bunch of ads pop up. So where's the download? I'm not a robot. Continue. Alright, so there we go. Finally we get to the book. So, I don't know. That's going to annoy your users. All those pop-up things. Just try it again. Pop-ups coming everywhere at me. Taking a long time to load a page. Man, it's just like reloading and redirecting and redirecting. And now all of a sudden there's this. Takes me to a completely different page that I didn't ask for. Nothing to do with the free download. on a different tab even, so I have to go back to this page. That's not even a different tab. That's the one I opened before. So this is, I wouldn't recommend trying this because this is going to annoy people. You know, I mean, I have it on my Twitter account here. And how many downloads am I going to get? That's, you know, really? Because this is a popular keyword or tag at the moment. It just seems like a bunch of spam. Anyways. So this is not something I would do. You could try it out, obviously. You have to check your stats. But you're going to have to keep posting and posting and posting on Twitter and other places, basically spamming everyone. I don't even know if there are any stats on this. There's got to be stats because I got to tell you how many downloads there were. The file's so small too. So, all the stuff he said in that video, I don't know. I mean, he's telling you to go to this site, upload these files, create this Twitter account, download free files. The idea is there, but it's just like, it just seems like a waste of time if you ask me. What do you guys think? Put your comments down below. Maybe we'll test out some other techniques from other online people, online channels, and we'll see what happens. I kind of give it a no-go for me on this one. I'll talk to you soon.